Well, a big news coming in. Tarun Tejpal, a former editor-in-chief of the Tehelka magazine, acquitted in 2013 rape case of a colleague by a district and session court at Mapusa, Goa. Well, Tarun Tejpal, who was convicted in the rape case, has been acquitted by a court in Goa. The final argument in the 8-year-old trial against Tarun Tejpal was concluded in the March this year. This case has seen many twists and turns while the hearing was going on. Well, to join us on the broadcast is Mr. Pramod Acharya, who is the editor Prudent. Mr. Pramod, welcome to the broadcast. I would like to ask you, certainly a very big decision which has come in. What would you say?
Absolutely. So to tell you the enormity of it, Goa police with all their force were waiting outside the court, hoping that the court will convict Tarun Tejpal and they will directly take him into custody. But when the verdict came, he was acquitted of all charges of all sections. And then Tarun Tejpal's daughter came out and read a detailed statement where he thanked all the people who supported him, thanked the court for impartial judgment. And one crucial aspect in that statement was he mentioned that the CCTV footage of the hotel proved decisive for the court to arrive at this decision. So that's what they came out and they said, we are waiting for the detailed order, but for now he has been acquitted of all charges, all sections, and I think by afternoon detailed order will be in our hands.
Pramod, this case decision was much awaited, quite a relief for Tarun Tejpal also. You know, this case has taken several twists and turns while the hearing was going on. The case started in 2018. Take us all those twists and turns which were there in the last year.
Yes, 7.5 years, and even for this judgment, there have been many adjournments. First, many of the court staff was hit with COVID. Then there was a cyclone. Then that's why court had to adjourn it last time. So after at least 3 to 4 adjournments on pronouncement of order, this order has come. Even last time, Goa police was outside the court with their force and everything to take Tarun Tejpal into custody. But even today, that was the same scene. However, court has acquitted him of all charges. We are waiting for the detailed order. We'll be able to give more details once we have the detailed order in our hand.
Okay, let's, Pramod, you stay with us. We have a reaction, first reaction of Tarun Tejpal family on India Ahead. Let's listen it, what she has to say.
For a better lawyer than Rajiv, the ever-struggling wheel of justice has lost a solid spoke. In November 2013, I was falsely accused of sexual assault by a colleague. Today, the Honorable Trial Court of Additional Session fought harder and with greater skill to reclaim my life and reputation. Rajiv used to say to me, I enjoy money, but I don't work for it. I believe God put me on earth to fight for the innocent. As a family, we owe Rajiv Gomes a profound and permanent debt, and we grieve alongside his wife Cheryl and his young son Sean. No client can ever hope for a better lawyer than Rajiv. The ever-struggling wheel of justice has lost a solid spoke. In November 2013, I was falsely accused of sexual assault by a colleague. Today, the Honorable Trial Court of Additional Session fought harder and with greater skill to reclaim my life and reputation. Rajiv used to say to me, I enjoy money, but I don't work for it. I believe God put me on earth to fight for the innocent. As a family, we owe Rajiv Gomes a profound and permanent debt, and we grieve alongside his wife Cheryl and his young son Sean. No client can ever hope for a better lawyer than Rajiv. The ever-struggling wheel of justice has lost a solid spoke. In November 2013, I was falsely accused of sexual assault by a colleague. Today, the Honorable Trial Court of Additional Session fought harder and with greater skill to reclaim my life and reputation. Rajiv used to say to me,
Okay, that was the reaction of the Tarun Tejpal daughter exclusively on India Ahead. First reaction on India Ahead. Pramod is with us. Pramod, quite a big relief for the family because they have been fighting it for the last 7 to 8 years, 7.5 years. and there were many ups and downs since he is a very big name. So all eyes were on the decision of the court. Where would it go?
Absolutely, and there was a political tone and tenor to this case, and we remember when Tarun Tejpal was arrested, his bail hearing, his remand hearing and bail hearing went on till 8 and 9 p.m. The court continued the hearing to 8, 9 p.m. So that was quite unprecedented. And after that, obviously, politically also the case was very sensitive. From the judicial point of view, there were two versions which were consistently being presented before the court. So yes, today the decision has come. We are just waiting for the detailed order. I think once we have the detailed order, we'll be able to shed more light on this. But for now, what we are hearing is the CCTV footage of the hotel was very much decisive in this case.
Well, yes, Pramod, certainly big news which has coming. You have all the details, and quite a relief for Tarun Tejpal. He has been acquitted in the case. Thank you, Pramod, so much for talking to India Ahead. Quite a big news which has come in, which was breaked on India Ahead first. That was the verdict of Tarun Tejpal. Okay, and let's see what the lawyer has to say in this case. We have got the reaction on this case. Let's tune in what he has to say.
He is the man behind this victory, I'll say. And
I'm reading the statement on behalf. Hand in hand with profound heartbreak. Last week, my trial lawyer Rajiv Gomes died of COVID. Dynamic and brilliant, at 47, he was on the brink of his scintillating career as a criminal lawyer at the national level. No person fought harder and with greater skill to reclaim my life and reputation. Rajiv used to say to me, I enjoy money, but I don't work for it. I believe God put me on earth to fight for the innocent. As a family, we owe Rajiv Gomes a profound and permanent debt, and we grieve alongside his wife Cheryl and his young son Sean. No client can ever hope for a better lawyer than Rajiv. The ever-struggling wheel of justice has lost a solid spoke.
And to join us on the broadcast is Manish Chhibbar, who is the consulting editor. Manish, welcome to the broadcast. Very big news that has come in. Tarun Tejpal has been acquitted in the rape case of 2013. Quite a big news which has come in. It was a much awaited verdict of the court. What would you say, Manish?
Development. While I have not read the judgment of the trial court so far, but I am sure the court must have given proper weightage to Tarun Tejpal's stand on the issue on whether he did try and commit sexual harassment. He did try and force himself on the young girl. So all that will be clear once that happens. But I think it's important and a very significant judgment because what has happened is that the court has acquitted Tarun Tejpal, and let's not forget that when the matter was before the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court had clearly said that this issue, whatever Tarun Tejpal had done, it was morally abhorrent and it was a crime against against that young woman. So we'll have to wait for the full judgment, but it is a relief for Tarun Tejpal.